Good morning students, today I will show you how to make a wall hanging. Okay, you can use, I am using the waste paper. A4 size paper you have to use and cut it in 3 pieces. See. Okay, now you have to roll it and you have to make a sticks like this. I will show you how to make it. For that you have to use the scissor, materials like scissor, scales, marker pen, CD. This is a waste CD wall hanging I am showing to you. Okay, decoration you have to do yourself. Now I will roll the paper. See here. Roll it tightly so it will not come out from the side, and make as much thin you can make it. Stick Fevicol so it will not come out. And roll it again from the downside to upper side tightly. You have to make at least 12 paper roller to make the wall hanging. See, everyone got it like this. Now I will start how to make it. First of all, put the roller like this, paper roller, and stick it cross side. Okay, again you have to put it and stick it. The size should be equal of the pipes. Okay, same from the downside also you have to stick it. Place it like this. Again from the vertical and horizontal you have to use it. stick it properly and press. This is waist CD wall hanging. I will show you how to use CD also and how to cut it. Press it properly so it cannot come out of the . Again you have to use the same. Remaining parts you have to cut it so it will look more better. Okay, here we have finished our . Now you have to use the CD. You can cut it with your sharp knife, sharp scissor. Scissors should be sharp. Okay, and for that you have to use the marker pen to mark it equally square. Take a scissor, place it on that and make a square shape. If you want to make a square shape, rectangle shape, whatever you need, you can use. I am using the square shapes. Okay. I will show the cutting piece also, so you can understand it is cutting with. We can cut with scissor also. Make a square shape. Again I am saying you students, scissors should be sharp, seriously. Okay, some pieces I make for you and I will stick on the wall hanging. Now I am starting for sticking it. Okay, stick it to the lines wherever we are getting it. Okay. Put the Fevicol and then you have to stick it. You can use any shapes. You can cut it easily, but softly you have to cut it. In the evening it will look very nice when it will hang on your wall. This is decorative. Cut it in the square shape. It will be better for you. Other shape it is not possible that much. So try to put the Fevicol thickly, so it will be stick out. Okay, here we have finished our decorations. Now I have to make, for more decorations I have make some flowers. You know how to make a paper flower, okay? Otherwise you can use anything. If you don't want to use the paper flower, you can use your own, whatever you want to use. Okay. For decorations, do your own self. Whatever you want to use, you can use it. No issue for that. But the thing should look good and more better. Okay. Are you getting my point? See. Now, we have already done the wall hanging. But for hanging, the thing you can use the woolen. I have used the thread of paper pack. I got that. So I am using this and I will make it like this. Okay. See. Just tie it from the down. Now it is wet, so better let it be dry and then only you have to open it. So first of all, I want to ask you, whatever things we are making till now, like waste paper bottle, I have shown you the decoration, leaves and paper file folder. Are you have done it or no? Try to make it. Okay, like this. You can make the leaves also for the decorations. You can stick this like this also for the decorations. If you need, you can do. I know you can do more better than me. I have seen that students are more interested to do more things with their own. Okay, place it and stick it. It is now wet, so it is not getting properly, but try to put the things. Here I am finishing my wallpaper hanging. I have used the waste paper because I have to show you. Okay, you can use chart paper, color paper, anything. Now it is wet, so I cannot take it out. You have to finish your wallpaper hanging like this. See, the sample I have there for you. Tie the knot properly, so it will not come down. See, like this you have to prepare the wall hanging. Now I will show you by hanging also. See, like this. It looks very beautiful and very nice. See, this is paper wall hanging. It looks very good. Okay. Thank you, students.